I'm sure with all this time at home right now, you're not the only one thinking about redecorating your space. Now is the perfect time to give your home a deep clean and just play. I'm Autumn, a designer and stylist from Toronto, and today I'm going to show you how to shop your home and style your shelves with IKEA. Step 1. Clear your surface. Whether you're working with the top of a credenza or shelves, you're going to want to start with a blank canvas. In my case, I'm going to be styling my white IKEA shelves. Step number 2, collect your items. This is the fun part. This is where you get to be a customer in your own home. Shop room to room and pick up items that you think are going to work for your shelves. You're going to want to look for things like books, plants, sculptural objects, and artwork. Step number 3, playtime. Styling shelves is all about trial and error. Typically when I style shelves, I like to start with the bigger objects first as my establishing pieces, and then I pepper in smaller objects throughout to fill in the space. Here are a couple more of my tried and true tips for shelf styling. Stick to a consistent color palette. In my case, I went with peaches, pinks, and neutral tones. Try to have a variety of different sizes, shapes, and textures. Layer in plants and greenery to add life. In my case, I like to go with both faux and real plants, and I get them all at IKEA. I love to take photos to compare as I go because sometimes when you're looking at a photo, it looks slightly different than when you're looking at it in real life, and you can kind of catch those little pockets where you might want to move things. Lastly, do what works for you. In my case, I live in an apartment and I don't have a lot of storage, so I ended up leveraging the bottom shelf for my shoes. I put my favorite pairs on there, and there's something that I can look at that makes me happy. And that's the real key. Styling your shelves and styling your home in general is all about you. Your home should be a reflection of you and your personal style, and it should make you happy. I'm Autumn. Thank you so much for watching this video. We cannot wait to see how you style your shelves.